Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how we can adjust Soundcore Liberty 3 Pro touch gestures. So to do this, you have to select them from the application, then you have to scroll down to the controls, and as you can see, first of all, we can turn on and off controls by tapping right here, and we got single tap, double tap, and then hold for the 2 seconds on the left and the right earbud. So for example, if you want to switch the single tap function for the left earbud, click on it once, and here we can find a list of all available changes. So for example, instead of volume up, you can use the voice assistant. Right now, when you tap once on the left one, you are going to wake the voice assistant. And that's all for this video. Hope you like it.